Thank you for checking out my YouTube video. Beautiful day in Detroit. We're in West Village. This is kind of by Belle Isle. Beautiful homes out here though. As you can see starting out the video, we're gonna make a left. Check out some of these nice homes in Detroit by Belle Isle, not too far from downtown. So if you want to see West Village, just watch this video. And if you want to see more Detroit in the future, please subscribe. I have a lot of videos, all different types of videos, but I'm just trying to get everything going here. This is by East Grand Boulevard and East Jefferson. They call this West Village. I don't get a chance to come out here too much. I'm just making sure that I can get as much of the houses as I can. There's a lot of trees, which isn't a bad thing, you know what I mean? But I just wanted you guys to see some of these houses here because this is one of the nicest parts of Detroit. It could be, in my opinion. You got Boston Edison District. You got a couple of them. But anyways, we'll get going. Drive kind of slow. Iroquois Street, I'm on. It says private security, Detroit police and its residents. But yeah, you'll see a lot of houses even with gates around them and everything. You're not gonna see a lot of abandoned houses in this part of Detroit. These houses are really nice. There might be one for sale. If there's one for sale, we'll go up in the driveway. Check it out. Kirchville Street. We're gonna keep going straight. Yeah, Indian Village actually. It says Indian Village right over here. So we'll do Indian Village, and then I know that was West Village back there, because I saw a sign. So do a little bit of both, because these are beautiful homes out here too. Indian Village, West Village. Yeah, you could get up over $1 million here. Hopefully you guys are seeing as much of it. Let me try to zoom in a little bit more. Nice out here too during the fall foliage with the leaves. The leaves are just starting to come out now. East Verner. Yeah, Indian Village. You know what we'll do? We'll make a right. Because I really wanted to stay in West Village, I mean. So I'll give you guys a little bit of Indian Village and we'll go over to where I started the video. Make a right here on Burns. Beautiful homes though, in both areas of Detroit. Got these speed humps. But yeah. Who knows, I might be able to do some tours in some of these houses. I'm trying to think of any type of a way I can do different types of videos. Historical videos, interviews with people, even doing tours of the insides of some of these houses if I'm allowed to, buildings. Always thinking about things I can do. So if you're interested in Detroit, you know, please subscribe, because I don't see myself stopping anytime soon. And also too, getting better equipment. I do photography, so there's going to be a lot going on in the future. Not only just in the next couple months, but years, you know what I mean? Some of these houses over here are really, really nice. Once we get back into West Village, I don't know why I say West Park. I'll let you guys know. That's a nice Maserati there, that blue one. We'll make a right. So that's Detroit too. You get all different parts of Detroit. Straighten it out right now. Very, very peaceful. Iroquois, we were on that street. Definitely don't want to do two streets at the same street twice. So we'll just keep going. Seminole Street's coming up here. Yeah, it'd be nice to check out one of these houses. I mean, some of these houses, they're really nice. I can imagine. I think we're kind of by Van Dyke. Seminole and St. Paul. Make a left. Angle the camera a little bit more. It's a beautiful day. Couldn't ask for a better day. Finally seeing the sun, so I'll be doing a lot more outdoor videos. Yeah, the trees block some of the houses, but I'm pretty sure you guys can get a good idea. Like right here, Agnes Street. I think this is starting to get into West Park now. We'll make a right. Yeah, and you got some buildings, these taller buildings up here. If you don't want to live in a house, more affordable living up here. This is West Village. Now we're in West Village, okay. National Historic District, you know. A lot of history in Detroit. The Parkstone. It's probably a little bit expensive to live in there, but it's a nicer part of Detroit. Yeah, nice little shops. Ice cream, bar and kitchen. You got this place right over here. Norm's Diner. I'm not out here that much. But you can see, you know, you can get something to drink or eat and eat it outside. Van Dyke. Van Dyke Books. Okay, we'll make a left. Looks a little bit more interesting. Getting to this type of living. Village Park Apartments. East Jefferson is a couple streets ahead. Not too far from Belle Isle. So if you were to live out here, have a bicycle, you wouldn't be too far from Belle Isle. And not too far from downtown. We'll make a right. Stay in West Village. You can see downtown a little bit. Just way up ahead. We'll make another, I'll show you a little bit more of Seaburn Street's right here. We'll make a right down this next street. It's kind of a unique place to live, right here on the right, on Baldwin. I think we're getting out of West Park. Still pretty decent housing. Kind of angle it this way. You can live by West Park. I think this is a different area. It's not too bad looking though. We're gonna go over here, make a right on Agnes Street. I grew up on Agnes Street. Not this Agnes Street though, different city. Keeping it in West Park. Looks like it's gonna be a 10-minute video. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Doing my best to upload one video a day. Gas is getting high. So I'm glad it's getting summertime. Getting to be warm so I can get out there on the bike maybe even, and you know, anything I can think of. Any comments or any suggestions, just put them in the comment section. I gotta get caught up on the comments. This is Van Dyke. This a little bit music. Oh, that's from the truck. Make a left. This is West Village still. That's what the signs say at least. All different types of living out here. Not that bad though, you know? A lot of history. This is Van Dyke, by the way, that I'm on. And Van Dyke, you could take Van Dyke. You could take this Van Dyke, believe it or not, all the way to the thumb of Michigan. That's a part of Michigan I haven't visited yet, and I want to go up there. I'm definitely going to be doing some videos up there wherever I go. This is Kirchville, so like you're getting more into like where the businesses are. But yeah, up in the thumb, do some kayaking. If you're not familiar with Michigan, we got some great lakes, Great Lakes State, great lakes, great beaches. Now right here, now we're going into Indian Village again. Nice day. I might do a video in Indian Village while I'm here. Might as well, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna end this video. Let me know what you think in the comments section. And I appreciate the support, guys. Getting close to 5,000 subscribers, and it's only going to get better. So take care, and thank you very much.